Hi, this is Elizabeth from Any House Cleaning. During the storm that we had apparently coming, Hurricane Dorian, I had to bring stuff inside the house, which one of the tables that was outside apparently on the legs had rust, which now it's on my linoleum, which I love my linoleum. And Fiorella is also here with me. She has a new product that she would like to try out. That is the new product. It says Hardwater Stain Remover.
But it's also said here,
And
remove and clean. Lee esto.
I can't see that. You gotta read it.
Okay, remove and clean mineral deposit, calcium, hard water stain, acid rain, cement, silica, screen burn, scum, oxidation, scale, land, corrosion, chalking, que no sé qué es, and rust.
Oh,
Enfoca.
and rust. Well, apparently what we have right now here on the floor, it is rust
So I'm
from
gonna
one of
change.
the tables. So she will be trying it on my linoleum floor.
Esta es la perfecta ocasión para probar. It works.
Oh, perfect. Seems to have worked perfect.
Enfócalo más de... Huh?
Nothing. Let's go to the next one, because there is another one on this side here,
Okay, ¿no?
which she will be trying.
Justo el día quería probarlo. I was crazy to try this. Ok, vamos a ver si con un paño, ¿ya? Luego la mitad con un paño.
She's gonna try it a different way. First time she did it with a sponge,
Perfecto, Elizabeth.
and it still works with a hand towel.
Hay que darle un poquito más de punche, though.
She's saying that you need to rub a little bit harder, but it does come out completely. For any type of cleaning around your house,
Yeah,
please call us.
407-572-4118. But the beauty of this is that this product is abrasive, okay? But it's not an acid. So before I will use a toilet cleaner, Lysol, the blue one, and it will remove the surface, but it's an acid and it will damage the linoleum. So I like this product. So far, so good.
Thank you, Fiorella.
Okay,